In today's dynamic world, financial stability and independence are common aspirations. Explore various methods and strategies to earn money based on your skills, interests, and goals. Research in-demand industries and professions to secure high-paying jobs. Leverage your education, skill set, and build professional relationships through networking. Advance in your career by pursuing additional education or certifications. Seek promotions, negotiate salaries, and consider lateral moves within your organization. Identify viable business ideas based on market trends. Create a solid business plan, secure funding, and effectively manage finances to start a small business. Showcase your skills on freelance platforms and build a strong online presence. Develop a personal brand and effectively manage client relationships and projects. Understand the basics of investing in stocks, bonds, and real estate. Diversify your investment portfolio and utilize robo-advisors and investment apps. Explore rental properties, property management, and real estate crowdfunding as passive income streams. Consider flipping properties for profit. Set up an online store and utilize dropshipping models for product fulfillment. Market and promote your e-commerce business to maximize success. Leverage affiliate marketing to earn passive income. Partner with brands and promote their products or services to generate revenue.